Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change clip duration in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. So the first one is going to your media pool and pretending so this is the clip that we want to add, so double click it, and then so that you want to just put a certain clip, so perhaps it's 1 minute 45 seconds in here. So I just want this part, so just press I and O for it to O or then here just drag it to your timeline and there you go. It's just that simple. So the next way here is just by taking the ends and moving it side to side. So basically right here, as you can see, you can move it side to side, or you can use your trim mode or trim edit mode right here. So as you can see, it's working right now. So when you have this off, it will overlay other videos. So when you have it on, by pressing T, it will adjust the clip right next to it so that it won't get even. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.